Assalamualaikum. Today we would be performing the basic logic gates on PCB. Similarly, we would be watching PCB simulation on Proteus of the basic logic gates. Here I've created a simulation file of of all the logic gates in one file. If you play it, it would be absolutely working correctly. This is NOT gate that is connected to this input, and as the input is off, NOT gate would be converting into high logic and it would produce in the open state. This is XNOR gate. XNOR gate, as in XNOR gate, one gate is open and second gate is also open. So if both are equal to each other, it will produce a high logic. Similarly, in XOR gate, both are open, so it will go as both are same, so it will create a low logic here. And similarly, according to that, we have NOR gate. Both of the logics are open, so it will produce a positive. And if NAND gate, both the logics are open, so it would also produce a high logic. Then OR gate. Both the logics are open, so it will create a low logic. And as the AND gate, both are open, so it will produce a low logic. So first of all, when we have created the circuit, now we need to create its PCB. I've already created the PCB here. This is not an ideal simulation or ideal place. It can be clean, it can be produces, it can be corrected and produced neatly. There are few things that you need to be learning in while designing the PCB. If you go here and type LED, you'll see LED like I have taken LED blue. So I'll type LED and then blue. When I type LED blue and I'll go on LED blue, you see it does not have a PCB layout. So it cannot be implemented on a PCB. So for this we would right click on, we double click on it, and here we have this PCB package. As I've already converted into PCB package, there would be none written over here. This not specified would be written over here. So what would I do? I would go here, I'll type LED. As I've typed LED, there is this package coming in. There are multiple packages like these these LED chips with one silicon ones, and there are a lot of bunches of them that have the PCB layout with them. So simply you're gonna click on any type of LED you want and just press OK. So now you can see it has a PCB layout. Okay. Similarly, if you go double click on here, you just go from here and properties. You can also produce pin over here and you can change the layout. After this, when we have all of the simulation present in all of them, we'll simply go to PCB out. We'll press this button to create a path for which for 2D path, and then at the 2D path, when the 2D path is created, we'll simply go to tools bar. We place auto placer, and as auto placer would be there, auto placer would be place all of them in here, and we have to press the auto router here, or you can go simply to the tools and press auto router. Now there is when there's a technique when you do not have an accurate system coming, and there is a reason an error coming, or red copper coming over here. So what do you do in router? You just simply drill it and you have to add jumper wire over here. then double click over here, then you'll add it, and then go for the path and then double click at the junctions. So this how you can have a better simulation here. So this was it, and thank you so much. Jazakallah.